Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gadget Geek Review, your go-to source for the latest in health and fitness tech. Today, we're counting down the best 5 under-desk treadmills in 2024. Whether you're looking to stay active while working from home or want to boost your daily step count, these treadmills are perfect for you. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below to find the best deals. So, let's get started and find your perfect under-desk treadmill. Sperax Walking Pad. Looking for a way to stay active while working from home? Check out the Walking Pad under-desk treadmill. With a 340 pounds capacity, this 3-in-1 portable walking pad is perfect for anyone wanting to incorporate more movement into their day. Its sleek, compact design makes it easy to fit under your desk or in any small space. Whether you're working, reading, or watching TV, you can keep your steps up and stay healthy without leaving your home. This treadmill is not only practical but also versatile, offering different modes to suit your needs. Transform your home office into a dynamic workspace with a walking pad under-desk treadmill and start reaping the benefits of a more active lifestyle today. DeerRun Walking Pad 2-in-1. Introducing the DeerRun Walking Pad 2-in-1 under-desk treadmill. This 2.5 HP low-noise machine is perfect for walking, running, or jogging while you work. Ideal for your home office, its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to move and store. With installation-free setup, you can start your fitness journey right out of the box. The included remote control allows for easy speed adjustments, making your workout seamless and convenient. Whether you're taking a quick walk during a meeting or fitting in a jog during a break, the DeerRun Walking Pad helps you stay active without disrupting your workflow. Get yours today and transform your workspace into a fitness zone. UREVO Under-Desk Treadmill. Discover the UREVO Under-Desk Treadmill, the perfect walking pad for your home or office. This 2.25 HP walking and jogging machine supports up to 265 pounds, making it ideal for a variety of users. Its portable design ensures easy storage and movement, fitting effortlessly under your desk. The remote control allows you to adjust settings conveniently, while the LED display keeps track of your speed, time, distance, and calories burned. Whether you're working, reading, or taking a break, the UREVO under-desk treadmill helps you stay active without interrupting your daily routine. Start your journey to a healthier lifestyle with the UREVO under-desk treadmill today. DeerRun Smart Quiet Under-Desk Treadmills. Introducing the DeerRun 2024 Upgrade Racing Walking Pad, the smart and quiet under-desk treadmill designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. This compact, no-assembly treadmill is perfect for home or office use. Its low-noise operation ensures a quiet environment while you walk or run. The portable design makes it easy to move and store, while the app and remote control provide effortless control over your workout. Track your progress, adjust speeds, and stay motivated with the DeerRun 2024 upgrade. Transform your workspace into an active zone and embrace a healthier lifestyle with this innovative walking pad. Get yours today and start moving. UREVO 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Meet the UREVO Walking Pad, the ideal under-desk treadmill for your home or office. This 2-in-1 folding treadmill combines convenience and functionality, allowing you to walk or jog while you work. The remote control and app make it easy to adjust settings, track your progress, and stay motivated. Its LED display keeps you informed about your speed, time, distance, and calories burned. The compact, foldable design ensures easy storage and portability, fitting seamlessly into any space. Whether you're aiming to boost your activity levels or maintain a healthy lifestyle, the UREVO Walking Pad is the perfect addition to your workspace. Start your fitness journey today. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more top reviews and fitness tips. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below to get your hands on one of these amazing treadmills. Leave a comment with your thoughts or if you have any other treadmill recommendations. Until next time, keep moving and stay fit. Peace out.